So let's get started. I haven't opened the box before, but here we go. My trusted tool. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so here's the dash cam itself. Goes over here. It's a small cover. Goes right there. And they sent me 2 Y cables. So there are actually 2 sockets in here that will work. USB to USB-C adapter. Not sure what it's for. There's a micro SD slot in here. And a pry tool to get this open. Let's get started. First, let's take the small cover off, like this. And using the pry tool, I think you're supposed to... Okay, a little bit loose because I had it open before. Because they asked me for a serial number of the cover to make sure it fits. Okay, here you go. So, I think there are 2 plugs in here and here. I don't know why, but they recommended I use that one. Okay, I have to press it and pull it. So I haven't done this before. Doing it with me the first time. I think it goes over here. Ah, it doesn't. It's actually the other one. The black one. Oh. This won't work either. So, let's see that one. Yep. Use that one instead. And it seems like this is for the dash cam. Okay, so now I can see there's a micro SD that comes with it. 64 Gs. Okay. Okay. Let's see if it lights up before I touch it. So there are no lights. Okay, here you go. 3 lights over here. So I'll turn the car off and we can put it back. I think you have to push it from the bottom to up. Yep, and then here you go. So, okay. There is a small gap over here, something went wrong. Okay, that's it. I'll give you some outside views and then some samples from the road.